Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make some flat rates in Acorate. To use Acorate, you have to have the dongle plugged in, which is a little green USB device. Once you get it open, if your file path is correct, then you don't have to do anything. Press OK here. In this scenario, I already know what flat rates I want to create, and I also know which one I want to. So I want to find, actually the first thing I'll do is I'll create some. So I just press add, and the task code is going to be in the run section. Actually it's a cap run, C-A-P, the cap run section. And I'm going to copy a task, which is a run. The one I'm going to copy is this right here. Copy task only. Interaction time on this is 20 minutes. I'm going to make it, or 25. I'm going to make it 20. Then I will change this name. So you can see I've changed this name, and then I want to add a part in here for it to mark up. I've already added my part in a previous step. This part is going to be a CAP 108. Notice it's a TO5 kick hard start. It's got a cost that's built into it from a previous step that it will mark it up. And then when we did the copy in, it brings our default rate codes in, which that's important for figuring out how much a sale price is. Once I've added that, I press recalculate, and it should give me a price. Now this particular item needs to have a spiff on it, 37,139. Now, as you can see, it's already calculated our Comfort Club price and our regular price, which they happen to be higher than what I had in the book. So I could come in here. It's already got their spiff amount built in, and I can take a miscellaneous code. If I want to drop my price, in this scenario I wanted that price to be 205, I do 237 minus 205, so it's $32. So theoretically I could come in here and put 32. I'm going to tab through, select that, and then recalculate, and notice it puts me down here at 205 and 245 to lower that price. I don't want to lower the price. I'm going to let the price go up on this particular deal. And I'm going to let it be the way it is. Then I'm going to unclick that. Then I'll recalculate again. 237 and 277. So it's going to represent a price increase. Now on this, I want to get this number to be a certain place in the book. So how will I do that? Should be able to change it right here, but it's not working. So I think what I do is I press save, and then I renumber my repair. And here I can change this to 010707 like that. And I can change it. It took it. Now that causes it to go to a different spot in the book. Now I'm going to add another one. Same deal. It's in the cap section, capacitors. I'm going to copy a task, which is a run task, and I'm going to find the one I just made and copy that one. And I'm going to copy the task only. Same 20 minutes that we're going to give for this particular job, and this time we're going to type in a different cap code, CA, or inventory code, P and 111. And notice that this is just something that we loaded in to create cost in the ticket. it multiplies it up by the 25%, which is built into this rate code down here. So if you notice right here, I just changed the name on it. In the process, I noticed that I had Tony instead of Ton. I will change that in just a second on the other one. So once I've loaded those two, press recalculate and see what my spiff works out to be on this, or my total price. So I got a 218 and a 253. These went up a pretty good amount as well. I still got my $10 spiff on them. So what I will do on this one is I'm going to make a little bit of a negative adjustment, just so it won't make so that they're so far out of whack from the others. Recalculate, brings me to 235 and 277. So now the price only went up about 20 bucks. Save it, renumber it, because I wanted to go to a certain spot in the book. And just happen to know this book is a 109 is where I want it. Check for the repair. It says there's none, so I can change it. Now I'm going to search for the one I just made. I think I can do it this way, and I can edit it and change that right there. Save it. The next thing I want to do is I want to find this other repair that I want to remove. I happen to know the task number, RUN 010105. This one, we don't actually remove things. What we do is we make them inactive. So I edit it, make it inactive, and save, and it won't print in the next book that we have. It won't be an option.